In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate SKU on Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to add your SKU codes and how to structure them so they're consistent, searchable, and useful for inventory and fulfillment. A quick refresher before we start. SKU stands for Stock Keeping Unit. It's an internal identifier you create to track products and variants. Unlike barcodes, SKUs are fully customizable, and the key is to keep them unique, readable, and consistent across your catalog. First, head to your Shopify admin. Make sure you're signed into the store where you want to manage products. The admin is your control center, and everything we need is right in the main navigation. Next, click Products. This opens your full product list. If you have a large catalog, you can use the search or filters to quickly find what you're looking for, but for now, simply locate the item you want to update. Now, click a product. This takes you into the product details page. Here you'll see the title, description, media, pricing, and inventory sections. If your product has more than one option, like size or color, you'll also see a dedicated variants section. Scroll to variants. This is where each version of your product lives, and each variant needs its own unique SKU. Keeping SKUs variant specific helps your team pick and pack accurately and keeps inventory counts clean, especially when items share a title but differ in size or color. Click a variant. You'll open the variants detail panel. This view focuses on the individual attributes and inventory settings for that one version of the product, which is exactly where the SKU belongs. In the SKU field, type your generated code. Keep it short, clear, and consistent. A simple format works best, such as combining product type, key attribute, and size. For example, a black small t-shirt might be T bulk S. You can also go compact like T bulks, use uppercase letters and numbers, avoid spaces and special characters, and never reuse an existing code. The goal is for someone in operations to decipher it at a glance and for it to be distinct in your system. Finally, click Save. This locks in your SKU for that variant. If your product has multiple variants, repeat the process for each one to make sure every version has its own unique code. That's it. You've navigated to your product, opened the correct variant, entered a clear, unique SKU, and saved your changes. Maintain a simple naming convention, document it for your team, and stick to it going forward to keep your catalog tidy and your workflows smooth.